We're going to continue now with the graphic, doing some more modifications to the graphic. We're going to put a border color on it. I have to click on it to select it, which mine was already selected. You may have noticed that I changed my theme color while I was gone. I was supposed to do that before. And what I want to do is change the border color. Up here in the center, there's a button called Picture Border. And when I choose the Picture Border button, then I can choose one from the list. They want us to use this funny green color at the top. These are the theme colors, since I chose the organic theme. And then these are standard colors below that. But we're supposed to use the organic theme green color. It's kind of like a moss green, isn't it? To put a color border. And notice now that our picture has a border on it. And I'm going to change the text wrapping right now. That button for layout options shows up, or I could right click on it, as I said before. Take your pick. Either one works. And then we're supposed to choose in front of text. And how am I going to know that? I just have to move my mouse, hover my mouse over them until I find it happens to be the last one down there. So that if there's writing, my picture will show up in front of the writing. And now then, I'm ready to continue. I changed the wrapping. Now I already resized it. Now I'm going to move it. The nice thing about having done this is that I can put my mouse in the center, get a four-headed arrow, and click and drag it into place. You notice that if I had put it in front of my writing, since I chose in front of text, it would show up there. But in my case, I didn't ask for that, so I'm going to put it back here on the left-hand side, just on the left-hand side of that green box. And then I'm going to copy it, copy the graphic, right-click. I'm having a horrible time getting my right-click to work. There we go. Right-click and copy, and then I can right-click, paste. Notice that I have two paste options. I'll paste it as a, let's see which one they want us to use. Keep source formatting. So that would be the first one. Keep source formatting. And it pastes it here, and click and drag it up into place on the other side. Now that we have two of them pasted in there, we can move the other graphic into place, which I just did, and then flip it around so it goes the other direction. On the right-hand graphic, not the left one, but the right hand, I can go up to the Picture Tools Format tab and click Rotate, and I want to flip it horizontally. Flip horizontally. And now you notice that the left-hand picture has the books kind of like the way we expect to see them, and then the other one is backwards to it. So the bindings face in. And that's all there is to this part of the document. They have you go ahead and save it and continue with an address line, which you can do out of the book.